we are given 4x squared minus 9x squared. We can rewrite this following expression as 2 raised to power 2 x squared, because 2 raised to power 2 give us 4, minus 3 raised to power 2 y squared, because 3 raised to power 2 still means 3 times 2. Then you can see both of them are having 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and there's minus in between them. We apply the difference of 2 squared. We say that when we have a squared minus b squared, you open your bracket and put a minus b, close bracket, open bracket, a plus b. Since both of them are having square, what we are going to do, we are going to pick open bracket 4x, open bracket 2x minus 3y, you close, you open another bracket, 2x plus 3y, you close. By doing this, we have factorized 4x squared minus 9x squared to be equals to what? 2x minus 3y, open bracket, 2x plus 3y.